Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden chair crafts pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating wooden chair crafts offers a unique opportunity to combine functionality with artistry, resulting in pieces that enhance both the aesthetic and practical aspects of any space. Chairs serve essential roles in our daily lives, providing comfort and support while also contributing to the overall design of a room. Wooden chairs, in particular, have an enduring appeal. Their natural warmth and versatility make them suitable for a variety of styles, from rustic to modern. This exploration delves into various wooden chair craft project ideas, examining how they can be executed with creativity and style. One of the most compelling aspects of crafting wooden chairs is the opportunity to experiment with different design philosophies. For instance, a classic design could be a Windsor chair known for its spindled back and a sturdy seat. Crafting a Windsor-style chair involves carefully shaping the wooden components, ensuring that each piece fits seamlessly together. The beauty of this design lies not only in its functionality, but also in the intricate craftsmanship involved. The spindles, typically made from turned wood, can be customized in various ways, allowing artisans to infuse their personal style into the final piece. By using different types of wood, such as oak or cherry, the chair can take on distinct visual qualities, elevating its presence in a contemporary or traditional setting. Another project idea is to create a simple, minimalist chair that embodies the principles of modern design. Such a chair can be crafted from plywood or solid wood, featuring clean lines and an uncluttered silhouette. The beauty of this design lies in its simplicity, making it an excellent choice for contemporary interiors. The crafting process involves precise measurements and cuts, ensuring that the angles and joints are perfect for both aesthetics and functionality. Using a natural finish, such as oil or wax, can enhance the wood's grain and texture, creating a striking yet understated piece that complements modern decor. This minimalist chair can serve various purposes, from dining to accent seating, showcasing the versatility of wooden crafts. For those looking to add a touch of whimsy to their space, crafting a rocking chair can be a delightful project. Rocking chairs have a nostalgic charm that can evoke memories of childhood and relaxation. By using curved wooden slats for the seat and incorporating gentle arcs in the legs, artisans can create a comfortable and visually appealing rocking chair. The crafting process allows for experimentation with different styles, such as a classic design with intricate carvings or a more streamlined, contemporary appearance. This project not only provides a functional piece of furniture, but also serves as a beautiful focal point in a living room or nursery. Incorporating mixed materials into wooden chair designs can also result in unique and innovative projects. For instance, combining wood with metal can create striking contrasts that enhance the overall aesthetic. A wooden chair with a metal frame can provide a modern industrial vibe, making it suitable for loft-style apartments or contemporary dining spaces. The crafting process involves careful planning to ensure that the materials work harmoniously together, balancing the visual weight of the wood with the sleekness of metal. Adding upholstery to the wooden seat can further enhance comfort while allowing for additional design elements, such as colors or patterns that complement the wood. Another interesting chair project is the crafting of an outdoor Adirondack chair. This iconic design, characterized by its wide armrests and slanted back, is perfect for enjoying leisurely afternoons on the patio or in the garden. Constructing an Adirondack chair requires precise measurements and cuts to create the characteristic angles that provide comfort and style. The use of weather-resistant wood, such as cedar or teak, ensures durability against the elements. This project allows artisans to personalize their chairs with unique finishes, such as bright colors or natural stains, making them a vibrant addition to outdoor spaces. The result is a piece that not only serves as functional seating, but also enhances the overall charm of the outdoor environment. For those interested in more intricate designs, crafting a chair with a unique backrest can be a rewarding challenge. A ladder-back chair, for example, features horizontal slats that create a distinctive look. The crafting process involves meticulous attention to detail, as the slats must be evenly spaced and securely attached to the vertical supports. This design allows for personalization, as artisans can choose to incorporate decorative elements or different wood types for the slats and the frame. The final product serves as both a functional chair and a work of art, showcasing the skills and creativity of the maker. A more contemporary idea is to create a folding chair that emphasizes both practicality and style. Folding chairs are perfect for small spaces, providing versatility in seating arrangements. Crafting a wooden folding chair involves designing a mechanism that allows the chair to collapse easily while maintaining structural integrity. The aesthetic appeal can be enhanced by incorporating unique shapes or finishes. A folding chair doesn't have to be merely utilitarian, it can be an expression of creativity, perhaps with a sculptural design that draws attention even when it's not in use. This chair can serve as an excellent addition to both indoor and outdoor settings, reflecting a modern approach to functional design. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. For a more playful approach, consider crafting a child's chair. Designing a chair specifically for children opens up a world of creative possibilities. The proportions can be adjusted to fit smaller bodies, and the aesthetics can be infused with bright colors or fun shapes. Incorporating elements like animal designs or whimsical backrests can make the chair appealing to young users. This project not only allows for artistic expression, but also provides a functional piece that encourages children to engage with their surroundings. By using lightweight materials and ensuring the design is safe and sturdy, artisans can create a beloved piece of furniture that will grow with the child. In keeping with the trend towards sustainability, crafting chairs from reclaimed wood can be a meaningful project. Reclaimed wood often carries a history and character that new materials lack, making it a unique choice for crafting. The challenge lies in sourcing the wood and preparing it for use, which may involve cleaning, sanding, and treating the wood to ensure its durability. A chair made from reclaimed materials can tell a story, with imperfections that add to its charm. By designing a chair that highlights the wood's natural beauty, artisans can create a standout piece that not only serves a practical purpose, but also promotes environmental consciousness. Another project idea is to create a chair with built-in storage. This design can be particularly useful in smaller homes where space is at a premium. By incorporating a hinged seat that opens to reveal storage space, artisans can craft a chair that is both functional and stylish. The crafting process requires careful planning to ensure that the storage compartment is easily accessible while maintaining the chair's overall aesthetic. Upholstering the seat can provide additional comfort, making the chair suitable for various settings. This multifunctional piece serves as a testament to the creativity and practicality of wooden crafts. A more adventurous project could involve crafting an ergonomic chair, designed specifically for comfort and support. With the increasing awareness of the importance of good posture, many people seek chairs that promote health and well-being. By studying ergonomic principles, artisans can design a chair that supports the natural curvature of the spine. The crafting process may involve experimenting with different shapes and angles to achieve the desired comfort. Upholstery can also play a significant role in enhancing the ergonomics of the chair, allowing for additional cushioning and support. This project not only provides a functional piece, but also addresses the growing demand for health-conscious furniture. As technology continues to evolve, incorporating tech features into wooden chair designs can be an exciting project. For instance, creating a chair with integrated charging ports or Bluetooth speakers can cater to modern lifestyles while maintaining a stylish appearance. The crafting process requires careful planning to ensure that the technology seamlessly blends with the wooden elements. This innovative design can appeal to tech-savvy individuals who appreciate the fusion of craftsmanship and modern convenience, resulting in a piece that enhances both functionality and aesthetics. For those who prefer a more artistic approach, consider crafting a sculptural chair that serves as a piece of art. This project allows for free expression, as artisans can explore abstract forms and unconventional designs. A sculptural chair might not prioritize traditional seating comfort, but instead focus on creating a striking visual statement. The crafting process might involve experimenting with various wood types, finishes, and shapes to achieve a unique result. This chair can serve as a conversation piece, drawing attention and admiration while showcasing the maker's creativity and vision. In addition to individual chairs, crafting a set of matching chairs can create a cohesive look in dining or living areas. By designing a series of chairs that share similar elements, such as color, shape, or style, artisans can create a harmonious atmosphere in a space. This project allows for consistency in design while providing an opportunity to experiment with variations within the set. A matching set of wooden chairs can enhance the overall aesthetic of a room, reinforcing a sense of unity and purpose in the design. Ultimately, the act of crafting wooden chairs is not just about creating functional pieces of furniture, it is also an exploration of creativity, design, and craftsmanship. Whether for personal use or as gifts, each chair crafted embodies the spirit of craftsmanship and the enduring appeal of wood, resulting in pieces that enrich our lives and the spaces we inhabit. As we continue to explore the art of woodworking, the possibilities for wooden chair projects are limited only by our imagination, encouraging us to create and innovate in ways that resonate with contemporary aesthetics and individual expression. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden chair crafts pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.